Welcome to Savage, Minnesota, the home of Sonny's Backroom Equipment by Hydra-Flex. Today, we're going to take a look at the equipment and people that make this facility a critical supplier of chemical dispensing systems for the car wash industry. We'll also profile recent investments and expansions that supports tremendous growth and customer demand. Let's start our tour with Curtis Carlson, General Manager of Sonny's Backroom by Hydra-Flex.
I'm Curtis Carlson, General Manager, and I am thrilled to welcome you to our facility and introduce you to our team. You may already know about our signature product, the AquaLab chemical dispensing system. We have, though, replicated that success with other backroom systems, including AirLink, WaterLink, and TireLink. Our systems are plug and play, incredibly reliable, and are engineered to reduce waste and elevate performance. Switching to Hydra-Flex industrial side, we also engineer premium and powerful nozzles that are quickly becoming industry leaders in hydro excavation, sewer jetting, and industrial cleaning. Join us on a tour to take a closer look at the people, processes, and products that have championed all the growth and success at Sonny's Backroom by Hydra-Flex.
Next up, we're joining VP of Operations Joel Matthews and Director of Quality Assurance Brenda Misakanis in the Hydra-Flex Quality Lab.
I'm Joel Matthews. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at HFI. I'm here with Brenda Misakanis, who's our Director of Quality. Brenda, why would we start our tour for HFI here at the Quality Lab?
Quality is really critical to everything we do. We strive to build quality into the products that we produce every day to make sure that we're sending reliable parts out into the field for our customers. It's really a part of the quality system for us to have the ISO 9001 2015 program with us, as far as that giving us a nice strong backbone and toolkit to use on a daily basis to make sure that we put quality into our operations. We also measure that every day in our KPIs with our first pass yield, that's typically above 99%, and also our low return material authorization or warranty rates that is typically below 1.5%.
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate your passion for quality. Anything else you'd like to tell us about the quality team?
No, I've got a great team of about 4 people here, and we love to use the equipment like our optical comparators, our video inspection system, and our digital height stand.
All right, thanks, Brenda. Let's move on to meet Sonny Vaughn. He's our production supervisor. So we're here with Sonny Vaughn. Sonny's our assembly supervisor here at HFI. Sonny, how long have you been with us?
I've been here for 9 years.
So we have 90,000 square feet of manufacturing space, about 45 assemblers out here. How do you keep us organized? What are the kinds of things you've done to make sure that we're organized and we're shipping good product for our customers?
Well, first thing we did was we separated all of our cells into 7 different cells. We have, a centralized inventory location where we keep all of our inventory, so it keeps us, on our toes when it comes to inventory counts and quantities on hands, and it just really made us a better warehouse. And we also utilize 6S to make sure that all of our tools and equipment is right in front of us and labeled and ready to go.
That's awesome. Well, we appreciate everything you do for us, keeping us flowing, keeping us getting product out the door, making sure we deliver on time for our customers. All right, so we're here with Tim Strom. Tim is one of our assemblers in the rotating nozzle line. What do you do for us?
I do for you guys. I do packaging and labeling, like kind of stuff I do.
Awesome. So a lot of assembly and packaging.
Yeah.
Cool. What do you like about working here?
So people talk to me, I be like talk to them back,
yep.
And they communication back and forth.
Awesome. Thank you, Tim. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too.
Next up, we talk to Senior Manufacturing Engineer Sola Onadipe, who gives us a look into this part of our process.
My name's Sola, and I've been here for about 3 years now at HFI, and I'm a Senior Manufacturing Engineer supporting production here.
Awesome, thank you. So who's your friend behind us?
So this is Daryl. He's our rotor assembly robot, and we brought him online a couple months back, and he builds most of the rotors that go into our rotating nozzles. He's able to consistently build parts better than we can in our hand assembly, and eliminates the potential for repetitive use injuries that could occur in manual processes. So we're constantly trying to continuously improve our process
Fantastic. Daryl's been a great assembly, or a great addition to our assembly team. Do we have any other robotics or any automation projects in place other than Daryl?
Yep, we've got another robot attached to our mill back in CNC, and we're planning on getting more cobots this year or potentially next year, just to add to our capabilities here.
All right, thanks, Sonny. We appreciate it.
All right.
At Hydra-Flex, our engineering team is working at the forefront of our industry to help us continue to innovate and deliver those next great systems and solutions to our customers. Next up, Director of Engineering Jamie Erickson takes us through this department, giving us more insight into what makes Hydra-Flex successful.
All right, I'm here with Anna Tellefson. Anna is one of our senior design engineers. Anna, there are two things that are in our DNA here at Hydra-Flex. Can you talk through that?
Sure. One of them is continuous improvement. We're always trying to improve products that we are releasing as new and currently out in the field, and we're trying to always make them better. And then the other one would be cross-collaboration for our projects. We're always trying to get other groups within the company involved early on so that they have a say from the project from the beginning to the very end.
And that's critical to what we do here. We cross-collaborate with our operations team, our sales and marketing teams as well. Anna, we're really proud of the products we develop here. Talk us through that design process.
Sure. So we have a very structured design process. It's a design, prototype, and then test validate process. You design for any ideas that you have and you get them into the 3D CAD software, and then you prototype all of them to do some early testing, and then once you have one or two that are close to final, you do final validation testing so that you can understand if it meets all of your requirements, and then if it doesn't pass, you go back and you do the whole process over again.
Yeah, we don't let products leave here until they're perfect.
No, definitely not.
Now we're going to talk to Caleb about how we take those ideas and bring them to life. I'm here with Caleb Hatch. Caleb is one of our engineering leaders, and this is the area where products come to life.
That's right, Jamie. So in the engineering lab, we have the ability to 3D print or additive manufacture all of our designs early in the process. So we can trial things quickly and iterate overnight.
Yeah, this area really helps us expedite our product development process. So we're going to move on from here into our test lab to see how we test and validate those products. Our final stop is in the engineering test lab. This is where all of our products stop before they actually get to production. Caleb, our designs get designed, tested, prototyped. Tell us about the test lab and why it's critical.
Yeah, so the test lab is that final stop before it goes out to our customers. And it's really the torture test of what we do for our products. We make sure that it hits a rigorous standard. So we make sure that it meets or exceeds all the requirements that our customers are expecting out of Hydra-Flex products. So we run it through cycle testing, burst testing, impact testing, drop testing, and the list goes on.
Yeah, we basically take our designs and we torture them here to make sure they meet the requirements of our customers.
Sourcing and materials and parts acquisitions are a big part of keeping our overall operation flowing. Our purchasing, sales, and customer service teams work together to maintain our pace of business, to meet our customers' needs, and help them succeed. VP of Sales Mike Tonys walks us through these areas of Hydra-Flex to provide insights into this part of the process.
I'm here now with Jessica Garens, our purchasing manager for Sonny's Backroom Hydra-Flex. And Jessica, your team has done a crazy good job the last few years keeping us ahead of the supply chain challenges. What's been the key to success in managing these really tough times?
Certainly, Mike. Great question. We've had to do a lot of efforts with respect to dual sourcing to make sure that we have the right parts on the shelf at the right time to service our customers. We've had to grow our team, so we have literally quadrupled the size of the team in the last 2 years. We also have increased the volume of inventory that we're carrying and have doubled the quantity of inventory that we've been carrying.
Sure. Well, it's paid off huge. Our customers come to rely on Sonnys and Hydra-Flex to have the parts they need to run their businesses. As I mentioned, your team did an outstanding job, and our customers are appreciative that we have the things they need to run their business. So from purchasing to customer service and product line, we also have a full in-house marketing team that supports all of our branding and our video content. We have our sales staff that is out there engaging the customers and having those conversations. Our accounting and our IT teams, it takes every single department working together to be able to produce great quality products and get those to our customers' doorsteps quickly. We're tremendously proud of the work that everybody does. Now I'm going to send it back to Curtis to close it out. Thanks, Mike. There's another critical element of our success, our culture here at Sonnys. We have a culture that challenges and motivates our people to succeed and requires commitment and collaboration. Thanks so much for taking this virtual trip to Savage, Minnesota and joining us on this tour. We are proud to be a part of the Sonnys family and contribute to innovative backroom and industrial solutions for our customers. Thank you for stopping by. Now, if you excuse us, we've got a lot of products to develop, build, sell, and support.